Imagine gulping down a drink and suddenly, you feel something wriggling inside your mouth. It's a tiny live fish. Welcome to the world of live fish drink. A unique blend of tradition and thrill, this drink has its roots in old customs, fascinating the adventurous souls around the globe. With a live fish swimming inside your glass, it's not just about quenching thirst, but a whole new experience. Isn't that an extreme way to enjoy a drink? But wait, there's more to this drink than just the thrill. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone drink a live fish? Well, there are some interesting reasons behind it. First off, let's tackle a common misconception. When we say live fish drink, we don't mean you're literally chugging down a fish swimming in a glass of water. The fish is blended into a nutrient-rich concoction packed with vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. Think of it as a unique, albeit somewhat bizarre, health shake. Now why on earth would anyone think of blending a fish into a drink? Well, according to nutrition experts, consuming fish in this form maximizes the absorption of its nutrients. It's like taking a supercharged fish oil supplement, but in a more natural form. But what about the taste, you ask? Fear not. The fishy flavor is usually masked with other ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and even spices, making it a surprisingly palatable beverage. Moreover, the practice of consuming live fish drinks is steeped in tradition in some cultures. It's seen as a rite of passage, a test of courage, or even a remedy for certain ailments. Science may still be exploring the veracity of these claims, but the popularity of this unique beverage continues to soar. So, not only does this drink give you an adrenaline rush, but it also promises some intriguing health benefits. However, like every other trend, the live fish drink also has its critics. Now some folks raise eyebrows at the thought of sipping a drink with a live fish swimming in it. And they have good reasons. Environmentalists worry about the potential harm to fish species, while health experts express concerns over potential health risks. It's essential we respect these perspectives and consider them carefully. The debate over this quirky beverage has sparked conversations around the globe. Renowned scientists, nutritionists, and environmentalists have all weighed in. Some find it innovative, others see it as reckless. But isn't it the power of such trends to ignite conversations and make us think? At the end of the day, we're all entitled to our own opinions. You may find the idea of a live fish drink fascinating, or you might be totally against it. Whether you're ready to try a live fish drink or not, it's certainly a fascinating topic, isn't it? So there you have it. The thrilling and controversial world of live fish drink. What are your thoughts? We've explored its history, benefits, and even addressed common misconceptions. It's a fascinating world out there, isn't it? We'd love to know your thoughts, so feel free to comment below. Share this video with your friends and let them in on the secret too. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content, and remember, whether you're sipping on a simple tea or a live fish drink, enjoy every drop of your journey through the fascinating world of beverages.